Hi guys. Uh, in the last video, guys, we have just covered about the few things, guys. Okay, in Django, like just now we have started, guys. Okay, session two, session one. Okay, session one was that how we can set up the Django and how we can run. Then session two was, guys, I was just explaining about session two. There was like how you can create the Django application, Django project, guys. Okay, so like inside that project, how you can create the Django application, guys. Okay, so these things I have covered, guys. Okay, now today, guys, I will be just showing you something. Uh, it will be like next. I have just explained you the last video about MBT, guys. Okay, model view template. Okay, guys. So now then next was that main app views. Okay, some home. Okay, these things I have just explained you in the last session, guys. Okay. So now let me show you the guys code. Okay, now the code was guys here. So what I'm just explaining like home view, guys. Okay, these things I have just explained you about the routing and everything. Okay, now today I will be just showing you. I just have to create one more application, guys, inside the same project, guys. Okay, inside the same project I will create the new application, guys. Understand? So what will be, guys, same project python manage.py start app app name. I will create one uh, sub app, guys. Okay, just remember, guys, I'm creating new application under the same project, guys. Okay, sub app. Understand, guys? Sub app. Now see, you can see here on folder has been created, guys, called sub app. Okay, guys, till now you have understood, right? Now inside, once you create the application, guys, it will come up with a few things, guys. Okay, like see, like few files admin.py, apps.py, models.py, test.py, and the views.py file. Okay, each file has different meanings, different purpose. Okay, so going forward I will explain you. So recently we are working on the views.py file. Okay, guys, let's create a one view function for here. Okay. Okay, what was the next step, guys? Once you create the new application, we have to install that application into the inside the project folder inside settings.py file. Okay, guys, that is available here. Understand? So this will be here, guys. Okay, like sub app. Understand, guys? This is your own app application name, guys. Okay, this name should be any name. Okay, guys, that has no any problem at all. Okay. Okay, guys. So now next. After installing this one, guys, I will create right here some view function here inside the sub app, guys. Okay, sub app. Okay, so let me write here some code here, def, like here, mm, file, let's write uh, multiply view, guys. Okay, multi view. Okay, like means let's write code here, multiplication. Okay, guys, just I want to multiply two numbers. Okay, just like multiply. Okay, guys, now let's see here, take two argument a comma b. Okay, now I wanted to just result is equal to sorry, a into b. Sorry, a into b. Now I want to send back that result to the front end guys. Okay, so return st response. Understand guys? So you have to add here. Okay, like put result add ult result and add into the fs string guys. Okay, two number of a and b. Understand guys? This one I have done. Now I wanted to call this function from, so create. Now next step is guys, create the urls. Okay, register the urls. Okay guys, register the means configure the urls for this function. Now right now guys, if you run this project guys, see here python manage.py and answer. Okay, if you run the project guys, see project is running for us, no issue, any problem at all. Okay guys, after running this one, okay, let's come to here from guys. Okay, now see it's running. Okay, now let's write here wrong urls guys. Okay, there is a only two. Okay, so by default will come home page, then we have the sum page. Understand guys? Now home page, then by default we are sending to the about page, seems guys. Okay, then next is the sum, three page. Okay, now I want to add one more page guys. Okay, so means already we have one view function, just we can add this one, call from there guys. Okay, how to call guys? Here this way guys. Okay, we have to call it from here guys. Okay, what happened guys to this? Okay, so let's call it from here guys. Okay, so what we'll do here guys, path, listen to guys. Okay, multiply a comma b. Just time this is urls I'm asking, number a two number a and b and calling to here. Okay, so remove this way guys, don't call this way, use same pattern guys. Okay, how you are doing here. Okay, now let's import guys. Import means from sub app dot views import multiply. Understand guys? So just I'm calling this means just I have import the multiply. This is one function that is available inside the sub app. Understand this folder guys. Okay, sub app, that is your folder name, means that is your directory name. Inside the inside this directory there is one file, inside the views.py file we have one function called multiply. Understand guys? Now okay, now let's see what is the thing. Just control C cls, then run the server guys. Okay, just I am running the server. Understand guys? After running the servers, let's come it here and just reload it guys. Okay, can you see one function is coming multiply? Understand guys? Multiply. So now let's go to the multiply here, plus 1 comma 2. Okay, 1 comma 2 into 2. Okay, 1 comma a value is 2, 2 comma 2 is equal to 4. Understand guys? 2 into 4. So this way I have done. Why I have explained you this concept guys? This concept I have explained you, inside there is a mystery guys. Okay, that's why just listen to me guys. Okay, now let's think one scenario guys. Okay, let's think one scenario. If this function here in your main app guys, let's assume this is your main app. Okay, in main app you have the multiple function guys. Understand? Like same way, if you have multiple function. Okay, same way if you have multiple function, let's assume this is like 1 2 3 4 unique name. This is all unique function guys. Okay, so all unique function, while calling you have to add it here. Understand guys? Understand? All unique function you have to mention inside the, while calling you have to create the path. Okay, so then if let's assume inside the main app there is a 10 function guys. Okay, 10 function, so there will be like 10 urls here. Understand guys? Now inside the sub app there is a 20 function. Let's assume there is a 20 times this function, right? Okay, so you have to write here 20 times, means 20 path, 20 line here guys. Understand guys? In project level. Okay, to solve this issue guys, to solve this issue, these things we will tell inside the app itself. You can manage your urls and your views function. Understand guys? We will tell them this application you can manage your urls and views itself. This function also I will tell you can just manage your urls also. Understand guys? So this means this application, so in this application I will just create one file called urls.py file. Understand guys? Understand? Just I create now from django.urls import path. Understand? Now just I will import from like mainapp dot views, import all the views whatever we have as all the function. Okay, now you will just write url pattern this one. Okay guys, now whatever we have wrote here guys, this urls here inside the project level guys, listen it very carefully guys. Okay, these things, okay, these things I can just define into in this app itself, main app there, right? So in that main app we have one file create, I have created one urls.py file. Okay, so this should come, I will add it here. Till now understand guys? Any problem? I hope there is no any problem guys. Okay, I am hoping that you guys have no any problem. Okay, now we have done this one. Understand? Now same way guys. Now actually what we have to do, we have to map the app level url into project level urls. Just we have to do this configuration guys. Understand? Listen it guys. This project level urls and app level urls. Okay, so now let's come inside the project level urls. Inside the project file there is one concept called urls. Understand guys? Now remove this line, no need guys. Okay, now this import line we no need here. Okay, just remove this line. Okay, now for managing this one guys, we have to use include. Okay guys, so path, what is your app name guys? Let's see, app name is your the main app. Okay guys, which app you want to manage? So put the urls as same as a basic main app slash, then comma include, then put here url path. Urls where is available guys? Inside the main app folder dot url. Understand guys? Now this include we have to import, so just import it from here. Okay, include is a function that will use to like map your project level urls to app level urls. Understand guys? Hope till now you guys have understood what I have done. Okay, so now just reload it here guys. Come, okay, see, now see inside the main app there is something. So now currently we have two application, one application main app, then multiply. Leave the multiply right now. Think about. Now type as the urls as the main app slash main app. Okay, main app has by default page to access guys. Okay, let's type something here, wrong urls. Okay, can you see inside the main app you have the home, we we have the about, then we have the sum. So what we do guys, just change the urls inside the main app, put here about. Understand guys? Just come and reload it here inside, put the main app. This is your project level urls guys. Understand? Okay, naming. Okay, inside the main app, see here we have three urls guys. Okay, home, about, and sum. You can go with about, like home. Can you see? You can go with about. Okay, you can go with sum. Understand guys? 1 comma 2. Understood guys? Whatever I have explaining you, same way guys, inside the, now this is done by app level urls. Okay, we work inside the main app inside the urls. Okay, now same things we can do inside the uh, other app. Since we have two apps, so inside the second app sub app also we will create one file called urls.py file. Understand? Now just you can use from django.urls import path. Okay, then okay, from views multiply, then urls pattern. Understand, guys? Hope you guys have no any issue in this code. So just I have imported sub app dot views and multiply. Sub app is one of your app name, then view is the one of the file name, that is then inside the file there is this function I want to import here. Okay, I want to call that function. Okay, understand, guys? So here just I am adding that function name, then I'm just calling. Okay, now next, guys, here let's see. Now we no need this line here, guys. Understand? Since now you can just add your app name, sub app and path. Understand? Sub app, then include which one? Sub app dot urls. Now guys, see here, if you come now coming your two urls, main app and sub app. Understand, guys? Inside the sub app, if you go, there will be one separate urls. Okay, like multiply. Understand, guys? Now you can go in multiply. So hope you have understood this url sorting. This is a very important, guys. Okay, this is very important, guys. Okay, this url mapping, guys. So what is in short, guys? Just I wanted to tell you now here what is that means. Just remove this one. Okay, what is this means, guys? Actually we are, before we are managing the all urls at the project level itself, guys. Okay, now if you have multiple application, if you have the multiple application, guys, sub app, main app, temp app, user management application, okay, yeah, any others application go. Okay, and each application has multiple view function, guys. Okay, so each view function we have at least two urls, one urls, guys. Understand, guys? Okay, so that's all. We can't manage as the same place, guys. Okay, we can't manage into the project level urls. So that's why we are telling to Django, just you can manage, you can create urls files inside the your application itself. In app levels you can manage the your urls, and just come into settings.py. Just you can come into the this folder, project folder, then just inside the urls, just you can configure by using include function. Understand, guys? By using include, just you can configure it here. Include that app name, then urls file, app name urls file. This name should be any name, guys. Understand? But this name should be your app name, like this name, this like main app. Understand, guys? Main app, this name should be your sub app, where is the urls is present. Did you understand, guys, till now whatever I have explained you? Anyone, guys? No one? Okay, so this is the about the configuration, guys. Okay, app level to or project level urls. Okay, so today I have just explained you the things about how to configure, how to configure project level urls, project level urls and app level url. Understand, guys? Just I have explained you, this is the way, guys. Just I am pasting the code here inside the first project. First project inside the urls.py file. This was the code. Then we have two applications, guys. Okay, main and sub app. So listen to me, guys. Okay, inside the main app you have created one file. We have just created one file inside the main app. Guys, main app you have just created the file urls.py file. Understand, guys? Then this is the code. Okay, then main app slash views.py file. Understand, guys? So this is the your code. So just do the practice. So remove the extra things, guys. Okay, I don't want these things use as the old code only guys here. Okay, so this is the your code, old code. Understand guys? Now just I will copy paste it here. Then we have, I have created one extra application guys, okay, called sub app. Okay, so remember one thing is guys, in one Django project we can create n number of application guys. Okay, there is no restriction. Okay, then sub app slash urls.py. Okay, this is okay, then sub app slash home dot sorry views.py. Understand guys? Sub app slash views.py. So I have just explained you guys project level URLs and URLs, app level URLs, and how to create multiple application. Okay, here also you can create other application also, just you can try. Okay guys, and try to link and then practice this way guys. Okay, and we will meet in the next session guys. Okay, we will work with some different concept. Okay, next session will be like how we can separate the HTML code and Python code separately, like okay, at the basic level guys. Okay, so that will be our next session guys. Okay, thank you so much.